20.75 we said should be the T1. Reminder about our disclosures. Trading is a risky business, and we want to use capital we can afford to lose. E for Market Wizards and eminywizard.com. 2075, we said potential first target. If you were long relying on 22 support, we said you should abandon that position. Make sure you honor your stop loss rules. We proposed the idea earlier that this could be the wrecking ball trade. We'd need more time to know. And I said, I don't think we've got an all-day sell. Said, I think that probably the range for the current week is in already today. Yesterday's low and our overnight high. So we shall see. This is a great trade for the shorts to come back now. I don't know what news is out there, but we certainly know that we have held the resistance levels. We did not get up above yesterday's high and hold it. So that has put the longs at risk because they could not get back above yesterday's high. So we're still range trading yesterday's range. Zeke made the observation that if we held here, we could get a 10-pointer to the 20. So that is this trade completing. And it's really tough if you're not in a trade to just close your eyes and jump in at this level, we said. And we said one thing you can do is go sidelines if you don't want to trade this mess right here, because it's been a very tight range. We also said that 27 we were going to use as a key idea for resistance. If the longs could not get it above 27, then it was still suspect, their strength. We said NQ wasn't doing much about anything. And that seems to have come back a little bit more. So 2075, 21 target is hit. We said the most important idea today will be, can the longs support the 18 to 22 range? And right now we're testing that. So this is a mini wrecking ball trade because we got it above here and then we never could get it back above the rain line and hold it. But you still need to get under the blue line and stay there to be a true wrecking ball. And this is certainly a shakeout of yesterday's afternoon. Anybody that was in from yesterday afternoon thinking they had it. And this is a very good illustration of why we believe hit and run trading really gives us an edge, because those traders that held on and got here and didn't take profits, they got up to the 34, didn't take profits. You know, they've given it all back. How do you know? You know, how do you know? So like I keep saying, you can probably make more 2-footers when you're putting than you can 10-footers. So try to get something out of the day and get out of the way. Taking a look at our Williams. So anybody that is coming in, this is our 2-day range. This is our deeper support in a 2-day range. Just going to think this idea of S1 area 20. So this is splitting the difference, right? 20 is splitting the difference between 18 and 22. Anybody that has taken a stop out, very risky to just jump right back in emotionally. And I'd said earlier that you may want to wait for better odds if we do break and come down and give you better odds for a buy. So if you've done that with yesterday's low as support, first objective would be try to get back to that overnight angel, at 23.5 to 24.25. And if you take a stop out, your first goal should be to get back your capital. Shouldn't be to go out there and try to make 50 points on the trade. It should be to get your money back. Oh, I dropped a couple bucks on the sidewalk. Let me bend over, pick them up. I mean, that's the attitude. I'm still thinking that this is fairly neutral. Now, if we got an all-day sell, I said that would surprise me. So already you know, basis a chart like this, very important to tell you as you approach the other side, the support zone. And smart traders will do this, especially if they've had a trailer. They're going to say, okay, I don't need a home run. I want my singles. I want my doubles. Zeke, nice call earlier. You said if the IV high holds, a 10-point trade would get us down here to the 20. I remember that post. That's part of teamwork, helping each other out with these ideas. Going to take a little time to dig out. So anybody first probes long side, don't think this is a home run trade. Going to shoot right out of here because it's probably not. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been a nice rejection by the shorts. Come back in and test support. And we said today, it looked like we were testing for support since we could not get back up above the 30 yet. That arrow, remember the arrow I put on here and said this could be the same thing. We could have a, inverted head down here, but we could have a head up here. And so let's think range. Still thinking neutrally. And this could be a shake and bake. May take some time to develop, but shake out all these traders and then the bake part of it. But for sure, we've got shake. That much we do know. Anybody coming back into that 24 and a quarter, that prior angel, got to be paid for sure. Thank you, Zeke. Thank you, Henry, for your post. John, let me go over that strategy for the wrecking ball trade. Let me do that one more time for you.